Hello everyone. So before starting the course, let's have a walkthrough on the course roadmap. First, we'll start with Introduction to Reactive Programming. Here we will see how it is different from the conventional multi-threaded approach. Next, we will deep dive into the core Vertx features, which will be widely used during the project. Moving forward, we will see how to embed web server in the project and play with it. Then we will work with reactive persistent systems like Postgres in case of DB and Redis in case of cache. Finally, we'll see how to add Swagger in the project and thus finishing it off. So the whole thing will take roughly 5 weeks to cover. I have also mentioned the dates by which I will be covering each section for your convenience. So stay tuned for the very first video of the course, as it will be released by EOD today. And don't forget to like and subscribe.